The third one here is variation. Variation from the word vary means to differ. So here we are looking at how organisms differ, or from one another within the same population and also across populations. So variation is defined as any detectable difference that occur among individuals or populations of living organisms. For example, if all human beings were all tall and dark skinned and have brown eyes and brown hair, then nothing could really be learned about the inheritance in humans, because all humans look the same. So because of this variation, this little variation that exists among us, that's the reason we have genetics, the science of heredity, and that's the reason genes are studied, inheritance is studied to know how these characteristics pass on from parents to their children. So when we talk about variation in genetics, we are looking at how organisms differ slightly from one another. Though we are the same, even as humans, we are all the same, but we also differ from one another in some ways. For example, my fingerprints and yours are not the same. So that alone differentiates me from you, can distinguish me from you. So as well as every other human beings, we have a lot of characteristics that make us differ from one another. So variation is that aspect of genetics that talks about the slight differences, and in this case, genetic differences between organisms of the same population, or even comparing organisms in one population to organisms in another population. These variations can also exist, among species, or between species, or across species. So that is the third theme we are going to be looking at.